Look on the condition the poor is living in. God bless melanin and make us win, cause all bets in. God bless melanin. My heart's beating while I'm freestyling. Hyping, not typing. I love writing. Look at that little girl. Her mom took her from her dad and she was his world. Try to live stress free, but this world is fuckery. Or is humanity gonna change your way of living? To God I give thanksgiving for the future blessing. Too much Smith and Wesson, never the lesson, but they never listen and end up missing on the news. Be careful of the life you choose, cause it's win or lose. Preserve life or make blood ooze. I'm not telling you how to live your life or what to choose, but one object and reject, spiritual and mentally neglected. Look at them sleeping on the streets begging for food to eat. Crackheads walking around the road looking hopeless for lost rocks on the ground. You're a part of the problem for ignoring the sound. Look over, there's a father. Father help him, trying to be better, legit, trying harder. And his own lover thinks he's shit, but a real father never quits. There are no limits, so why are there so much humans living like shit? We made these firearms to make people lose their arms, to cause all these arms, cause all these wars that left all these scars, then run away to Mars. We need to start meditate and stop player hate, stop killing each other, cause we all brother. Plus the conditions that we're living under. Sometimes I sit and wonder, like I'm Stevie Wonder. Just wanna make the future brighter. A communication tired, too much in my head. Pass me the weed, Rizla and a lighter. Make my brain lighter. Storyteller, not a liar. Seller, not a buyer. We spit through the wire. I spit through the fire and spit what's fire. Father, remember as the rapper, yours sincerely. I hope you heard my little prayer. Make the people have food, clothes and shelter. I'm not pointing finger at you, God, rather the ones in power that make poor people hunger, that make them really sit down and suffer. Sometimes I sit and ponder. Sometimes I really sit and ponder. Sometimes I really sit and wonder. Look on the condition the poor is living in. God bless melanin and make us win, cause all that's in. God bless melanin and make us win. God bless melanin. Look at the condition the poor is living in. God bless melanin and make us win, cause all that's in.